AI Siri. In this video, we're going to be talking about the brand new intelligence that Apple has been cooking up, and it has brought it to Siri. Now, Siri, as you know, helps you get everyday tasks done quickly and easily. And obviously, it's your companion that helps you through everything that you want to, actually alternate into your life. Now, 13 years ago, as you know, we were introduced to Siri. Now, Siri was our very own AI chatbot that we would actually talk to on a daily basis when it comes to lifestyles and tasks. Now, it's the original intelligent assistant, and it had a pretty ambitious vision. Now, Apple has been steadily building towards that vision, and now thanks to the incredible power of Apple Intelligence, Apple has got the foundational capabilities to take a major step forward. So, Siri has been made more natural, more contextually relevant, and of course, more personal to the user that is using it. So, right off the bat, you'll see that Siri's got a new look. So, basically, when it comes to using Siri now, as you can see, this is what Siri is going to look like. You're going to whip up Siri, and it's already going to give you some suggestions to ask. You can also use your texter to type it down, whatever question you have. When you talk to Siri, you'll also notice it's more deeply integrated into the system experience with elegant glow lighting. Okay. So basically, every time you talk, you're going to see this glow on the side of the screen, which is pretty cool. And even if you stumble over your words, Siri will understand what you're actually getting at. Now, if you talk about what the weather looks, at some specific beach, again, Siri is going to glow on the edges of the screen and it will let you know what you want to know. And obviously, integrating this AI into Siri was one of the best things that Apple has done because this streamlines everything so clearly now. Even Siri is a very friendly assistant to audiences. Now, sometimes it's pretty difficult to figure out what actually you want to ask Siri when you have a question, right? So, Siri actually follows right along. It also maintains a conversational context so you can follow up. So, if you want to create an event for a hike at 9 a.m., Siri is going to give you a proper scheduled hike and it will also tell you details. Okay. It's pretty fun stuff to have in your repertoire when you're using something like this. And, definitely adding Siri AI to the Apple IDEs is one of the best things that Apple has possibly done. So do go ahead and use Siri for yourself. Use all the tools that the AI has given you, like Type to Siri, which is obviously the newer option that I showed you. You don't only talk to Siri using your microphone now, you can actually type to it using your keyboard, right with intelligent new tools where every word matters. Then you can also explore new features for writing focus and communication, which is pretty cool. And you can also use Siri AI not only in your phones, but also in your Mac, iPads, and so on. You also have delightful images created just for you, which is basically Siri's brand new AI image generator as well. Pretty cool. You can also create expressive, unique Genmojis and custom memory movies for yourself, which is also a very good feature that they've added in the integrated personal Siri. So, yeah, basically that's the main idea of Siri and the new AI that has been seamlessly integrated into it. So do go ahead and use it out and let me know down in the comments below on what you feel about it. But yeah, apart from that, that is all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.